drops of the braid, and this is the air oil. And 10 drops of the hair oil. So I've added avocado, banana, 1 egg. Actually the GlammedNaturallyOil coco Shea and a little bit of coconut oil that was on top of it. And this is what I'm going to be using for my dip protein treatment today. I do this once every month. So I've been doing this for about a year. A lot of you that have been following me for a while, you know I've been doing this, and I'm doing this video again because a lot of people have been asking what the difference is between a deep treatment and a deep a deep conditioning treatment and a deep treatment. But this is actually a deep protein treatment because I added egg. All right. Staging my treatments, I don't like to see the banana bits in it, so I'm going to blend it for maybe another 2 minutes and see if it takes it off. But yeah, always try to blend it well so you don't leave the seeds in your hair. So 2 minutes later, the bits definitely got better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more water because I want to keep the thick consistency, and I'm going to do it for another 2 minutes. I don't want to see that brown bit. I don't want to see it. So this is the third guy, and it definitely looks better. I see a little bit of brown bits, but it's not as bad. So this shouldn't do, you know, I shouldn't have to see that much bits on my hair. So this is the third time I blended it. I always recommend to blend well, and I'm going to show you the consistency. Consistency is perfect. This is exactly how I want it. It's thick but not too thick, so it should apply nicely. All right, so this is going to be going on my hair. You see how I don't see if you see the oil because I use a thicker oil. I use the shea butter, the coco Shea, which is thick, so my hair should be feeling all this goodness. It's important for you to have a hair care regimen, and I do this once every month. I actually do a deep and protein treatment together. I just do that once, and this will be sitting in my hair all day, but maybe not all day because I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna use a deep conditioning cap, so that should help. All right, I'll keep you posted. Has it too. And then twist it. You see the consistency of my hair? I think it's actually making my hair curly as well. So you see this? So by combing it through, it gets in every strand of my hair. I'm just putting the rest of it in the hair. So I got this eating cap from Amazon. I've used it once and I really love it. I normally don't use heat in my deep treatment, but since this is a cap, we can get away with it. So yeah, I'm going to use it today. I like it because it comes with the shower cap as well, I guess, so you don't make it messy. So I'm going to try to put a shower cap all the way down. And you really feel the steam like on your head right away. Do it this way. I liked it from the first time, so I'm sure I'll like it again after. You see how soft my hair is? It feels really moisturized. I just got it out of the shower. I haven't done much to my hair. You see how soft it feels? See that? So I just got it out of the shower. I haven't really put anything on my hair yet. So you see how healthy, it feels very healthy, honestly. So this is the deep / protein treatment conditioner. See that? And my hair, I feel like my hair grew longer again from the past month. You see that? And how soft it feels. So let's see if you can see. And that's it, guys. So my hair is softer. My hair is softer and moisturized, and this is gonna last me for the next month. So I do it once a month, like I told you. So yeah, that's it. So you see how when I took it out of the shower, it's like looking really shiny and moisturized and healthy, you know? It's different. You find out what works for your hair and what doesn't, and just stick to it. And that's basically what I'm doing. And if you look at all my past videos, you can see that, you know, my hair is growing really like longer and healthier.